Are you constantly worried about your kidney health and looking for a natural way to treat or prevent the disease? What if I introduce you to drinks that will have a positive effect on your kidney and cure your proteinuria? So stay until the end of the video to get know with the drinks, and of course the last drink will surprise you. Let's talk about proteinuria first. Proteinuria is a condition in which there is excess protein in the urine, which is not normal. Why is it not normal? Because protein must stay in the body and is necessary for the repair of tissues, and this happens when the kidneys do not work properly, and proteinuria can be the cause of a much bigger disease. That is chronic kidney disease, and problems such as high blood pressure and diabetes. Well, I think you understand what proteinuria is, so let's start counting down the drinks. Beet juice. Beets are colorful root vegetables laden with nitrates, which are turned into nitric oxide in the body, helping to widen blood vessels and reduce blood pressure. High blood pressure can put a strain on the kidneys, therefore this is a significant advantage for patients with kidney problems. Beet juice also contains betalains, powerful antioxidants that have anti-inflammatory properties to support kidney function. However, there is a word of caution. Beet juice is potent and can affect blood sugar levels. If you have diabetes or are prone to kidney stones, it is essential to consult your healthcare provider before adding beet juice to your diet due to its sugar content and oxalates, which can contribute to stone formation. Cranberry juice. This juice is a strong soothing for the kidney. It is commonly known to treat infectious diseases. Chronic inflammation can damage kidney tissue and lead to proteinuria. So what is the role of cranberry juice? Cranberry juice is rich in antioxidants such as flavonoids and polyphenol, which have anti-inflammatory effects, and by reducing inflammation, proteinuria also goes away. Also, by improving endothelial function, it increases blood flow and reduces blood pressure and controls high blood pressure, which is a major cause of kidney damage and proteinuria. Lemon juice. This simple yet powerful drink combines juice and fresh lemon juice for a vitamin C boost. Lemon juice increases hydration, which is essential to dilute urine and reduce the risk of kidney stones. Citrate in lemon can also help prevent calcium stones from forming and may break up small stones that are forming. Lemon juice is a natural diuretic, meaning it can increase urine production. This can help to discharge toxins and reduce the pressure on the kidneys and lead to the improvement of kidney function and as a result reduce proteinuria. In short, consumption of lemon juice can help reduce proteinuria due to its anti-inflammatory, alkalizing, diuretic, antioxidant, blood pressure lowering, and prevention of urinary tract infections properties. However, it is important to consume lemon juice as part of a balanced diet and in consultation with your doctor to get the best results. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is a sweet yet potent health elixir. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids and polyphenol, which are great for treating inflammation and reducing oxidative stress, both of which are critical for maintaining healthy kidney function. This juice can help increase blood flow and reduce the formation of plaque in the arteries, thereby improving kidney function by maintaining optimal blood pressure levels. Pomegranate juice has antimicrobial and antiviral properties that can help prevent urinary tract infections. Urinary tract infections can damage the kidneys and cause increased proteinuria. By consuming pomegranate juice, the body can better protect itself against these infections and maintain the health of the kidneys. Ginger tea. A warming spice drink with significant health benefits, is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, making it ideal for lowering renal inflammation and boosting overall kidney function. Ginger has immune-boosting characteristics that can help protect the body from infections and inflammations, which can harm the kidneys and lead to increased proteinuria. Ginger also possesses antispasmodic and calming effects, which can help relieve tension and stress. Stress and strain might have an indirect effect on kidney health and proteinuria. Ginger tea can assist enhance kidney function by lowering stress and tension. Berry Smoothie. This mouth-watering berry smoothies blends blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. These fruits are rich in antioxidants and low in potassium, which makes them a great option for people with kidney problems who need to control their potassium levels. In addition to being high in sugar, berries are also a good source of fiber, vitamin C, and manganese, all of which support cardiovascular health and reduce inflammation. When making a berry smoothie, it's best to use frozen or fresh berries without added sugars and use a base like water, almond milk, or coconut water, which are lower in potassium than dairy milk. Apple cider vinegar drink. The cleaning properties of this drink are highly praised. The drink is thought to promote weight loss, boost heart health, and regulate body pH and blood sugar levels, all of which can reduce strain on the kidneys when consumed. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of unfiltered raw apple cider vinegar with a glass of water. It is important to avoid drinking ACV directly because its acidity can irritate the throat and damage tooth enamel. Therefore, moderate and regular consumption of apple cider vinegar, due to its anti-inflammatory, diuretic, blood sugar regulating, and blood pressure lowering properties, can help improve kidney function and reduce proteinuria. Of course, it is important to take it with the advice of a doctor and as part of a healthy diet. This drink may also alter insulin levels and decrease potassium levels, so anyone with potassium-related problems or taking diabetes medications should consult a doctor before consuming this drink. And the last drink on this list that I don't think you can't guess what it is. Well, water. Water is one of the most important drinks for the treatment of proteinuria. It does not directly cure proteinuria, but drinking enough water can be the biggest help in managing the kidney condition. Drinking enough water can help to increase the volume of urine and, as a result, wash the kidneys better and reduce the concentration of protein in the urine. Also, water helps prevent dehydration and reduce pressure on the kidneys. This can improve kidney function and reduce the chance of kidney stones, which can cause proteinuria. And finally, one more important thing to remember is that you should not consume apple cider vinegar directly and mix it with water or another non-acidic drink, and consuming it directly will definitely harm your stomach. I hope the video was useful for you, and don't forget to consume these drinks to treat proteinuria, and you know that you should not forget to like and subscribe. Your health friend. Health Delight.